2014 saw change of guard at the centre with a renewed push to India's space limits. India started pushing the limits of space programs. India's ability to launch multiple satellites in a single mission put India on a firm footing in the global market. What also made India an attractive proposition by now to the global space ecosystem was the frequency of its launches and its ability to meet deadlines. One such example was Mangalyaan. It was launched in 2013, it entered the orbit in 2014 and concluded its operations in 2022. And then in 2023, India's groundbreaking mission Chandrayaan-3, uncovering Moon's long-guarded secrets, and Aditya L1, unraveling Sun's various facets and also setting the tone for India's mega space movement with mission Gaganyaan. 2014 onwards marked clearly India's stellar decade in space with big push to mission Mangalyaan. India was way ahead of others in trying to get to the red planet faster. Designed for 6 months, lasted 8 years, Mars Orbiter Mission or MOM, India's first interplanetary mission to planet Mars was launched on board PSLV C-25 on November 5, 2013. With this, ISRO became the fourth space agency to successfully send a spacecraft to Mars orbit. On September 27, 2022, ISRO organized a one-day national meeting to commemorate the Mars Orbiter mission as Mangalyaan completed 8 years in Martian orbit. The Mars Color Camera, one of the scientific payloads on board MOM, has produced 1100 plus images that have been published in a Mars Atlas. In a big first, Mangalyaan was low-cost mission showcasing India's ability to successfully realize the complex mission to Mars in its first attempt, in a cost-effective, approximately Rs 450 crore only. As successful launch and a pioneering mission, Mangalyaan cemented India's credentials as a credible space power. But that was just a beginning. Soon after Mangalyaan launch in 2015, PSLV C-30 launched AstroSat into orbit, India's first dedicated multi-wavelength space observatory. The mission was designed for a more detailed understanding of our universe. By 2017, ISRO set a record of launching 104 satellites in one launcher, and very next year in 2018, ISRO launched 31 satellites in one go. In 2020, ISRO launched 3 important spacecrafts into space successfully: the GSAT-30, EOS-01 and CMS-01. GSAT was India's telecommunications satellite. EOS-01 is India's Earth observation satellite and CMS-01 is a communication satellite. In 2019, a turning point came in the form of Chandrayaan-2 launch on July 22nd as the first space mission to conduct a soft landing on the Moon's South Pole region and the first Indian expedition to attempt a soft landing on the lunar surface with a homegrown technology. A failed attempt did not deter the spirits of ISRO scientists.
The communication from lander to ground station was lost. The data is being analyzed.
कोई छोटा अचीवमेंट नहीं है जो आप लोगों ने किया। देश आप पर गर्व करता है और मैं पूरी तरह आपके साथ हूं। हिम्मत के साथ चले।
They gave it another shot in 2023 and that's when the history was created. 14th July 2023. This date marks India's successful soft landing near the Moon's South Pole, establishing India as the first one to achieve this remarkable feat, the feat of landing spacecraft in such proximity to the lunar South Pole. Chandrayaan-3 is India's third lunar mission and second attempt at achieving soft landing on the Moon's surface. On July 14, 2023 at 2:35 p.m., Chandrayaan-3 took off from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The spacecraft seamlessly entered lunar orbit on August 5, 2023. The historic moment unfolded when the lander made a successful touchdown near the lunar South Pole on August 23, 2023. Successful launch of Chandrayaan-3 resulted in major findings of the mission. Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment measured temperatures reaching 70 degrees centigrade. It makes India part of the elite group of nations, Russia, the United States and China, with demonstrated lunar soft landing capability, showcasing India's leadership in space technology, including positioning India as a global hub in the new space economy. Soft landing capability contributed to the valuable insights to India's missile defense program. Within 2 months of achieving a spectacular feat of landing at the closest proximity of the Sun, Indian space scientists took another giant leap. It was time to get closer to the Sun. 2nd September 2023 marked yet another major breakthrough accomplishment for ISRO with the launching of Aditya L1 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. Aditya L1 is the first Indian mission to study the Sun from the surface, designed to study the Sun's dynamics. Aditya L1 spacecraft is equipped with 7 payloads that will observe the Sun's photosphere and chromosphere. The mission aims to provide valuable insights into the Sun's behavior, which will help scientists better understand space weather and its impact on Earth. Aditya L1 spacecraft was inserted in its targeted halo orbit on January 6, 2024. After a journey of 127 days, the spacecraft reached the L1 point approximately 15 lakh kilometers from Earth. On July 2nd, Aditya L1 spacecraft completed its first halo orbit around the Sun-Earth L1 point, a complex maneuver that required precise navigation and control. Aditya L1 instruments will provide valuable data to help scientists understand Sun's behavior better.